Is your iPhone screen not responding when you touch it? Maybe it's freezing, lagging, or it just won't react no matter how many times you tap it. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that usually bring the screen back to life, and we'll start with the easiest one. The first thing to check is your screen protector and your phone case. A lifted edge, a small crack, or even dust trapped underneath can block your touches completely. So go ahead and remove your case, and if you have a screen protector, gently lift it or take it off. Wipe the screen, clean it up a bit, and then try tapping again. This alone fixes the problem for a lot of people. If the screen is still not responding, don't worry. Let's try the second solution. The next thing to do is simply plug your iPhone into a charger for a moment. If your battery is extremely low or your phone got stuck in a small glitch, the touchscreen might stop responding. Connecting it to power gives the device a stable reset, and sometimes the screen starts working again within a few seconds. So plug it in, wait a bit, and try touching the screen again. And if neither of those helped, this last step is the one that works almost every time. We're going to do a force restart. This doesn't erase anything from your phone. It just forces the system to reboot, even when the screen isn't working at all. Here's how to do it. Press volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding that side button even when the slide to power off screen appears. Don't let go. Hold it until the screen goes completely black, and keep holding until you see the Apple logo pop up. Once the Apple logo shows, you can release the button. After the phone restarts, your touch screen should start responding again. And that's it. Try these 3 quick fixes, and one of them should solve your iPhone screen problem. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides. And I'll see you in the next one.